Have you ever sat down at your computer and thought, what on earth am I supposed to post today? If you have, you're definitely not alone. Most small business owners don't struggle because they don't have enough ideas. They struggle because they don't have a plan. And today, I'm going to show you one simple content strategy that can help people keep coming back to your business week after week. Here's the truth. The most successful businesses aren't constantly chasing the newest marketing trend. Instead, they become predictable in a good way. Think about your favorite TV show. You didn't watch just one episode. You came back every week because you knew another great episode was waiting for you. Your content should work the exact same way. One of the biggest mistakes I see is people posting random content. Monday, they're talking about Facebook. Tuesday, it's email marketing. Wednesday, it's artificial intelligence. Thursday, maybe they're showing their morning coffee. There's no connection between any of it. And when your audience doesn't know what to expect, they don't have a reason to come back. Instead, create a weekly series. Give people something they can look forward to. For example, if you teach email marketing, every Monday could be Mailing List Monday. One week you explain how to create a sign-up form. The next week you talk about writing a welcome email. Then maybe how to grow your subscribers naturally. Each lesson builds on the one before it. Now your audience knows exactly what they'll get every Monday. The same idea works for almost any business. If you teach Facebook marketing, create Facebook Friday Fix. Every Friday solve one common Facebook problem. If you teach AI, start a series called AI Without the Headache. Show one simple way AI can save time each week. If you help small businesses, try something like 5-minute marketing. Every week, give your audience one marketing task they can finish in just 5 minutes. Simple ideas like these build consistency, and consistency builds trust. Here's my favorite part. Once you create a series, planning becomes incredibly easy. Let's say you're an expert in email marketing. Instead of trying to invent 10 different topics, take one big topic and break it into 10 small lessons. Congratulations. You just planned 10 weeks of content from one idea. No more staring at a blank screen, wondering what to post next. So here's your challenge this week. Look at your last 10 posts. Can 3 or 4 of them become a weekly series? Remember, people don't come back because you posted something once. They come back because they know you'll continue helping them. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more simple marketing tips designed especially for entrepreneurs who want to grow without making marketing complicated. And if you'd like to see the tools I personally use to create content and stay organized, you'll find a link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. In the next video, I'll show you exactly how to build a simple content calendar in less than 30 minutes, even if you've never done it before.